Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Rebikit Foods. I hope everyone is fine. So Rebikit Foods, today's recipe is about peanut butter sauce. So we are going to do it the traditional way from East Africa, Kenya, Luo community. We've just started by pounding groundnuts which has been fried, not raw groundnut but fried groundnut. So we are pounding it. Welcome to my channel. Let's now see my groundnut paste has now changed. It's changing from powder, now it is now a paste. So it is just producing oil as I continue pounding. So let me continue pounding. These are groundnuts, people, that I've just pounded in using this pan. So you can as well get the peanut from already packed shop, or you can just fry the groundnut then pound. So this is it. I've just pounded and it has come to this stage. So I'm just going to start by adding into the pan, to my saucepan. Ingredient that I'm going to use is milk. This is fresh milk. So I'm going to add milk to it. But I'm going to add milk to it bit by bit. Meaning I will not put it at once. So I'll make sure I mix it. I make sure that I mix it properly. You can see it has started mixing, so I'm going to add milk, continue adding milk and stir it. I will stir it till it gets thick and thicker. So I'll keep stirring until all the lumps are over. I'll stir until now no more lumps. As you can see, the lumps have just reduced, and now I can put it now on fire to cook. Now once you put it on fire to cook, you will keep on stirring non-stop. Just stir it non-stop continuously without stopping as the texture gets thicker and thicker. You can see now it's already started getting thicker, but you should not stop stirring, because once you stop stirring, automatically the lumps will come up. So continue stirring. Remember, it's thickening and I'm adding milk. So most of the content in this groundnut sauce is all about milk. Now people, I've added at least 1 liter of fresh milk. As I stir, you can see it's still getting thick and thick. I'm going to add in sour milk. This milk is sour, so I'll also add it step by step as I stir. Look how thick it is. Still thick and thick. I'll continue adding in sour milk. The color has changed, it's even becoming whitish. Still, I'll add in milk. Now this kind of sauce that you call peanut sauce, in our traditional language we call it Ogira. Ogira is a traditional recipe that were made by our old ancient people Salt kidogo, just a little salt to taste. As I continue stirring, remember you have to make it in a medium-low heat, because once the heat is too much, it will get stuck to the pan. So you should now lower the heat to a mid-low heat. You can see the color has just changed, and we are going to stir it and leave it now to boil on its own till you see now oil separating itself, the oil from groundnuts. Remember, we did not add any oil, but we just had the oil coming out from the groundnut. Since you see, till you see the oil separating itself from the sauce. My peanut sauce is boiling. You let it boil. You can see now oil is just separating itself from the sauce itself, but you'll still let it boil to cook. So just going to cover it and let it cook. My peanut butter sauce, or our traditional language Ogira, is now done. You can see now oil has just come up. It has boiled till the oil has just separated itself. This kind of recipe is served with sweet potatoes, traditionally sweet potatoes, modern matoke or plantains.